This is London with Bitcoin Spike, VIP Trader. We're going to talk about the details today for Bitcoin. What's going on? We've got a big technical update. And also, I want to invite you to follow the link in the description and make sure that you get over to our indicators website. You'll see Wyckoff accumulation tool that actually caught the bottom, boom, of Bitcoin. You'll see range traders, guys. You'll be able to get in touch with us via this get access, but range trading. We got Trend Maker Pro, catch any trend. I'm just excited about these risk management tools. Volatility targets, we have coded Bollinger Bands. You'll be able to get in touch with us, hit this get access. We're very excited about 2023. Let's dig into the details in terms of the chart work. This is London, former hedge fund owner, private non-SEC, not financial advice. Follow that link in the description. Now, in terms of Bitcoin, what is she doing? We are in our second bump and run. Pay attention. Precedingly last week, I identified this specific expansion, right, as the lead in for a bump and run. And I want to stop real quickly right now. This is not just a plug. Pay attention when I go to our website. One of the things that you'll need to follow that link for is a pattern index. What is a pattern index? It actually has the bump and run. It actually has all the probabilities from all the patterns. We're going to open this briefly to anyone who would like to experience that on the link below. You guys can follow that. And yes, it's important to know exactly the patterns in play and exactly their probability percentages. VIP, make sure you make your way over there, and anyone else who might like to just take a look before getting more involved with our trade group in terms of a peek, guys. In terms of the specifics here for this lead in here, we're looking at that expansion, a repeat pattern. The bulls are looking to break out of this level of resistance without a doubt. In terms of an upside target, if we're able to bootstrap, pay attention, essentially, okay, cascade in this larger pattern to the upside, the amplitude move to the upside could be a nice move. Pay attention. Could be a really nice move. We've been looking at over a 7, nearly 8% move now. I have to say, the specifics here in terms of a potential for a fractional completion to the 50% move to the upside or the downside might mean that we would stop out in and around that $28,400 mark. That's specific, about a 4% move to the upside. Be aware of the potential for frustration along this level of resistance. Also be aware that on the daily, we have set a bit of guys, I'm just going to say a red indicator. We have set just a touch of the framework of the MACD, the framework of the RSI and the stochastics has begun to round around to the downside. This specific red formulation is a bearish indication. We would look for shorts to deploy in this area, just so that you know. We'd be looking for shorts to deploy as long as that specific indicator, that signal, does continue to go to the downside, and you'll see that red in the background right now. So that's going to be nothing that can't be conquered, but do notice when we've gotten that red indication in the past, boom, we've gone to the downside, but not that we have not retested that level in terms of that specific kernel formulation. That is a calculated very, very high line near machine learning calculative that we are involved in. We're still up and above the specific 20 moving average on the daily, on the 8 hourly. We are pushing, trying to get to that 20 moving average. I'll tell you on the 4 hourly is the level to be watching immediately. For the VIP in the back, I will remind you guys, this is the level, the 20 moving average, to give us that upside target. Yes, to give us the upside target, which would be again, about a 3% move, about 2.65% move to that 28,144. Now, this is London with VIP Trader and Bitcoin Spike. We're excited about 2023. I want to remind you, nobody is doing it like this. You guys know nobody is bringing the heat in terms of the indicators, in terms of the know-how, in terms of the dedicated research that we are flexing, in terms of the muscle for the development for the #1 trade group. It's right here and only right here. Guys, we're not going to stack us up against anybody. We're #1. Excited. If you'd like to join #1 trade group from a desktop computer, hit the link in the description. Go see our indicators. Get in touch with me. This is London with VIP Trader and Bitcoin Spike. Let's trade. We did today. We'll do it again tomorrow, guys. Let's keep going. Exciting about 2023. We're going to take the market by storm. Take care. Bye-bye.